So every year, Apple continues to add new features that improve the security and privacy of iPhone, and of course, this year will be no different. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a brand new feature that Apple has added to iOS 16 that will forever change the way you update your iPhone and change iPhone updates forever. And let me go ahead and show you exactly what I mean. And now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, a quick example on how Apple continues to improve the security of iPhone is within Control Center. Right here in Control Center, you actually have the ability to see history of apps that use your camera, your microphone, and things like that. So for example, if I launch FaceTime, of course, it's going to activate the front-facing camera. If I go into Control Center here, you see that I now have a log. FaceTime was using the front-facing camera. Same thing applies for the microphone. Same thing applies for the rear-facing camera and things like that. So really cool feature, something new within iOS 16. Now, Apple has added some other privacy features. So under privacy and security, if we scroll down, you find security checklist. Now, security checklist is composed of two different features. We have number one, we have the emergency reset. And now the emergency reset gives you three different options for quick access. You have people and applications, which allows you to stop sharing certain access to particular applications within the actual security reset. You also have account securities, which allows you to review the security of your iPhone and even change your iCloud password. And then you have emergency contacts, which allows you to add or remove an emergency contact very quickly from your iPhone in case you need to do so. Now, you also have down here, you have the manage sharing and access. Now, this particular option has three tiers as well. So this one allows you to review people first off, so you can manage sharing with people. Things like locations and photos can also be disabled instantly. You can review apps, so manage access to certain information within applications like the calendar, maybe the contacts application. You can remove access from that as well. And the third tier is account securities, which allows you to review your account security or your Apple ID, and you can change the password and even add two-step authentication if you haven't done so already, of course, on your iPhone. So yeah, Apple took this also a bit further with a lockdown mode. Now, lockdown mode is a feature that not many iOS users will probably end up using, but this one is kind of crazy as a next level security for iPhone, and this one's going to be very useful for government agencies and things like that. This one disables a lot of the features on your iPhone in order to protect a user that may be a target of a cyber attack. So a cyber attack on someone can be avoided by using lockdown mode. And again, I have an entire video on this one if you want to go ahead and learn more about lockdown mode, which is crazy, insane next level security on iPhone. I'll link that video in the description down below. But as I mentioned, Apple this year has now changed the way we update our iPhones and the way you'll see iPhone updates forever. If we go into software updates here, we have the category automatic downloads, which you can enable the way to download iOS updates automatically, and you can also install these updates automatically as well. But right below there, we have a new feature called installed security responses and system files. Now, this one here is very interesting because we've been doing this on computers for years, right? Sometimes on your computer, you have a security update without having to update the actual software on your computer, right? So this is a rapid security response and system files for iPhone and supported accessories, which is very interesting. It could be AirPods, maybe even the MagSafe battery pack, who knows. You can also update accessories using this feature. And right here it says you may need to restart your iPhone to complete installation, and some system files may continue to install even after this feature is disabled. So when you enable this feature, your iPhone will be able to install and update system files and patch security flaws within the iPhone without having to wait for Apple to release a new software update. As you know, sometimes Apple needs to release an emergency update for iOS in order to patch a flaw within the OS to keep users protected. Now, let me know what you think about this feature. I would like to hear your thoughts on this one in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.